Don't bring this back to this house. You must go back to your husband. Let me see you come back to this house.
Leave me alone.
Don't worry.
Leave me alone.
Where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going? This house must go back to him. You must marry that man. You must marry him.
Only that I'm going nowhere. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere.
You must marry.
Settle them now before they kill themselves.
Beati, do not worry yourself. They will settle themselves. Please continue.
Nah, that is what has been happening in my house.
Indeed. Something more vicious than the eagle has invaded the sky. Ejike is not an easy nut to crack. Beati, you know that.
Now you there, man. Akajaku is even worse.
Hey!
Continue.
Now you there, man. Akajaku is even worse off. Please, come and prevail over the situation in my family before it gets out of hand.
I do not really know where to start from in a situation like this. That is the problem.
No, start somewhere. It's a matter big ebido. Do something, start anywhere. Start somewhere, I'm begging you. You know, do not allow war to tear my family down. Bikono.
It's all right, Beati. I will try my best. But that boy, Ejike.
You must leave this house.
Ejike.
You must leave the house. You must leave this house. You must leave this house. You must leave this house. You must leave. I'm looking up on you. I'm looking at you. You must leave this house. You are playing on. You must leave. Go away. Hey! Oh! Hey! If I catch you in this house, if I can.
That boy Ejike may appear like a shrub, but a mighty Iroko dwells inside him.
Nai, Omodo nebuti Iroko. Nai, you can do it. Nai, come and save the situation in my family.
You so good in nobody. One day, one trouble. Everybody they right, nobody they wrong at all. This side na kata kata, that side na wuru wuru.
Mr. Akajaku, you just had it. He claims you gave him the keke unconditionally and made him sign an agreement just to distract your wife because of the money. Did you do anything of such?
See, officer. Mr. Officer. Mr. Officer, how many times did I call you? Listen. I'm only interested in what's written on that agreement paper. Other than that, it's none of my business. Do you understand what I'm saying? None of my business.
I am only interested in what he said that made me sign the agreement. That I should sign this agreement just to distract his wife. That I should sign this agreement just for formality's sake. Anything beyond that is none of my business too.
Now you see what I'm talking about? Both of you are right in your own perspective. But if we go by this agreement, what happens to the agreement before the agreement? And if I go by this agreement also, what happens to the signing and what is on the paper?
See, officer, what are you even talking about? This shit is clear here. It's crystal clear. What are you talking about? It's black and white. Can't you see that? Now tell me, can he defend his claims? No, can he defend his claims? No, I'm asking you.
DPO, ask him, can he defend what he said before I signed? That is the most important thing here. I didn't just sign that. He said something that made me sign that. That is what I'm interested in.
You see now, this is a family matter. And I would like this to be handled in a family way.
Officer, damn you. Damn you, officer, damn you. I made a mistake coming here in the first place because I thought you lied. Just listen to yourself, too. The reason why I don't align with your local primitive cops here, that's why I deal with the FBI and shit. You see why I love the FBI? FBI, where you all at? Where you were, FBI? Where you were?
FBI, number how I got in Nigeria.
FBI, where you were?
They don't work here.
Where you were, FBI? Where you were? No, FBI, where you were?
CID, that's what we're used to.
Where you were, FBI? Where you were?
DPO.
I'm so disappointed at you. FBI, where you were? Where you were, FBI? Where you were? FBI, where you were?
In your 1 year and advance jagging.
Where you were, FBI? Where you were?
Leave this place.
FBI, where you?
FBI, let's do some apostle. My friend, leave this place. Why you are now? I'm jagging office. Leave this place.
Everybody the right, nobody wrong at all.
Officer, you know they gave him injection abroad, so he's suffering from the injection they gave him while he was in prison. So don't mind. I mean, what are we doing here? We have families, we have king, we have we have elders. So we're not supposed to be here. It's a family issue.
Wahala day. Go front to Wahala, go back Wahala. Ijenugu Wahala, Ibiana Neda Wahala. Moke fola man obone chekosu. Mwanye fola man obone chekosu. Alili ebu. Wahala day. So we're Kano Bodo one day, one day.
They should pay dearly for your foolishness. Idiot. Listen, you are poor. You are just a poor, backing, confused man. Accept that you are poor. Let me help you and your hungry or your wives. Ejike, did you just refer to me as a poor man? You know what? In this field, I'll make it like miserable. Okay. Point of correction, this is village, not Ville. I remember Ville. Secondly, you are poor, accept it. Get a job and stop misbehaving. You are constituting. Ejike, free times. Free good times, you understand? I gave you 1 million naira free times, makes it 3 million naira. Okay. And what did you do to it? You squander all the money. As a useless boy that you are. At the end of the day, what did I do as a brother? A good brother that I am? I gave you 500,000 to start up your KK business. And here you are, refer to me as a poor man. Huh? Ejike, I'll make you come crying. I'll make you come back. Let me tell you what you don't know, eh? You see, poor people and flashback are like this. Poor people and flashback. Small thing, you start flashing back. I helped you when you were growing up. My father helped your father. I can't. Poverty. I get them before, not be property. What are you supposed to do for me if I was a blood brother? You ask me 1 naira and so fucking what? Now, listen. Accept it. If you are now poor. So change that your name from Akajiako to Ukujiako. Get a job. That's my advice for you. Bloodline. Get a job, bro. Because hunger will change your color. The downfall of a man is not the end of his life. Just know that. Ya dig, huh? Ya dig, huh? Ya dig, huh? By the time I'm through with you in this field, you'll crawl the whole entire village begging for me. And of course you know, I won't even help you 1 bit. You know what I'm talking about? Lie, point of correction. This is our village, not Ville. I know in California, but I know. You understand? No matter what, a lion can never beg a goat for me. Lie to my life. Never happen. Are you listening to me? I will eat you raw and drink your wonder wife as water.
May thunder squeeze life out of your body for calling me dear.
I'm
made it.
Look
at this watcher. Ochakomaka. May the same thunder strike you and your gold digger husband to pieces. Flock all day. Who called this hungry looking screw here?
I can say the beating I gave you last time is not enough, eh? You want to die this time? Do you want to die?
Mwah. Try me this time. Try me this time and see if I will not bury you alive. It's funanya.
I never me offended Madam Baina. And they go mbutene. I'm offended Madam Baina.
You know what are you doing?
This side na kata kata, that side na wuru wuru. Onye ku ibe ya ajo, onye ju ibe ya ekwe.
Honey, you have to take action. Enough of dragging with that good-for-nothing riffraff. This is time for action.
You're right, hon. You're right. Ejike has bitten more than he can chew. But no, not this time. Not this time.
Not only he has bitten more than he can chew, he has chewed more than he can swallow. See, you are his elder brother and need to teach him some practical lessons.
Trust me when I say I'm going to do something about it. Ejike will have the fool of me this time around. Trust me. Come close. That's my homie. This is my baby, yo. This is my baby, yo. This is my baby, yo. Right, I'll be with you, honey, in the bed, though.
Agreement na agreement, oh. Uka barapa, okwisi keche kwea. Onyera pie ya na mwane ya para nsobu ade. Onyera pie ya na mwane ya para obaghara ade. Agreement na agreement, oh. Agreement na agreement, oh. Uka barapa, okwisi keche kwea. Onyera pie ya na mwane ya para nsobu ade. Onyera pie ya na mwane ya para obaghara ade.
Yo, dude, where do you think you're going? Huh? Would you shut the fuck up, man? What's fuck wrong with you? The fuck wrong with you? Looking like an Indian maroon, nigga. Look with the retarded. No, listen, I ain't got the time, nigga. No, get the fuck down, dog. Get the fuck down. Oh, you think I'm joking? Oh, y'all thought I was joking when I said I'm possessing my possession, right? And I'm starting, listen, beginning first, I'm starting with this Dikeh because I set up this motherfucker right here. I set him on. I made him who he is today. Now he's trying to swing on in a kunave and shit. Let's see how you roll.
One next time.
No, let's see how you roll. No, let's see how you roll. Let me see how you move. But this about time I show you what I meant. This about time I show you what I meant. Let's see how you roll. Let's see how you roll. Let's see how you roll.
Yeah, Obanje. Take your hobby in before I die here now. Fast. Are you deaf? Take this dummy inside before I die call you here. Naya, Akachi, you are just a lousy noisemaker.
You are working. You know, for 2. The school days, my name no day noise makers. I make me noise. So stop making noise because if you interrupt my movement now, I'm jagged. It's as simple as that. They're just a lazy youth.
Listen, I will show you that greediness is a form of laziness. Let me see how you pull through with this keke right here, yo. Let me see. Y'all want to see the others? Y'all want to swing on it? Y'all want to swing? No, y'all want to swing? Y'all want to swing? No, y'all want to swing? Y'all want to swing? No, y'all want to swing? No, y'all want to swing? I fire without a shirt on.
Yes!
I fire without a shirt on.
Yes!
I fire without a shirt on. Nigga, I fire without a shirt on.
One day, one trouble.
I fire without a shirt on. I fire without a shirt on.
Everybody the right, nobody the wrong at all. This side na kata kata, that side na wuru wuru. Onye kwibe ya jo, onye dribe ya ekwe. Wahala de, wahala de. Go front to wahala, go back to wahala. Ijenugu wahala, Ibiana neda wahala. Nwoke fola mma n'ọbọ na-eche kosu. Nwanyị fola mma n'ọbọ na-eche kosu. Alili ebu wahala de. Nsogbu erika n'obodo, one day one trouble. Everybody dey right, nobody dey wrong at all. This side na kata kata, that side na wuru wuru. Onye kwibe ya jo, onye dribe ya ekwe.
Mazudome, you know why we're here. You know, on that fateful day that my son paid for your daughter's bride price, I was a witness. And I'm here today with him to still collect the same bride price as your daughter here has asked us to do.
Yes. My daughter demanded for a bride price to be returned since it was borrowed from a brother. She has made provision for everything. Here it is.
So, may you also bear us witness that we have returned the bride price which your son paid for our daughter on this fateful day.
Diego, okay, wait now. Ugezu, can I get a put them by now? What are you doing with your father in my compound? Eh? But what is happening here now? See, I overheard you people from that distance. I overheard you people from that distance, eh? Let me tell you, there is no going back on this marriage. Final.
I am the one to make that decision here. And I said the borrowed bride price must be returned.
Ah.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, being borrowed is the problem. Abi, I hereby declare this money for Dash. Ugezu, got the money. Any other reason? Or you follow your husband home? See, let me tell you people, as a bona fide son of this family, firstborn for that matter, son. See, no going back in this marriage. No returning of bride price. Okay? Now be the go so. Eh? Okay now.
Everybody the right, nobody the wrong at all. This side na kata kata, that side na wuru wuru. Onye kwibe ya jo, onye dribe ya ekwe.
Oh, Mama Mego. Mama Mego. You see that? That is their business. What are you doing to him? That is your business. As
for me. I have no business with anybody. Find out.
Nwoke fola mma na ọbọ na-eche ka osu. Nwanyị fola mma na ọbọ na-eche ka osu. Alili ebu wahala dị. Nsogbu erika n'obodo, one day one trouble. Wahala dị. Everybody dey right, nobody dey wrong at all. Wahala dị. This side na kata kata, that side na wuru wuru. Wahala dị. Onye kwu ibe ya ajụ, onye ju ibe ya ekwe. Wahala dị.
Take over town.
What is it taking now? Okay, yeah, I'm seeing it.
This side na kata kata, that side na onye kwu ibe ya ajụ, onye ju ibe ya ekwe.
When I fight without a shit, what you gonna do? I fight without a shirt on. When I fight without the shirt on. I fight without a shirt on. When I fight without the shirt on. I fight without a shirt. Hold on. When I fight without the shirt on. Okay. I fight.
This side na kata kata, that side na wuru wuru. Onye kwu ibe ya ajụ, onye ju ibe ya ekwe. Wahala dey, wahala dey. Go front to wahala, go back wahala. Ije nugu wahala, ibia na ndeda wahala. Nwoke fola mma n'ọbọ na-eche ka osu. Nwanyị fola mma n'ọbọ na-eche ka osu. Alili ebu alade. Nsogbu erika n'obodo, one day one trouble. Alade. Everybody the right, nobody the wrong at all.
Don't watch. As you can see, Akajiako and Ejike, his brother, has paid their fines as the tradition demands for fighting in front of their wives. Now, we can proceed and settle their matter.
I know, you have spoken well.
I know, well said.
As it is, how do we tackle this issue?
I know. I really do not think there is much to say here. There was an agreement signed by both of them, Ejike and Akajiako, to run the joint business. So from my own point of view, I don't think that Akajiako has done anything wrong in asking for an account.
Ichienze, I partially agree with you. But on the contrary, Ejike here claims that Akajiako signed that agreement so as to get his wife's approval to the money.
Then, why did they sign another agreement showing that the first one is null and void?
You are right, Nze. You are right. But do we now jettison the trust a brother should have for his own blood brother?
Now, Akajiako, can you swear that before Ejike, your brother here, agreed to sign this agreement, you never told him that you did it just for you to win your wife's consent? I'm asking you.
Now you know I did that as an excuse for him to sign the agreement. That was all.
Well, in that case, the matter has settled itself in Dikeh. What do you think?
Dikeh, no. Thank you very much. You've spoken well. Bye.
Ejike. Ejike, you still have a little sacrifice to make. Your brother here, Akajiako, brought this money for the business, through of us. You have to compensate him. By the way, how many keke do you have?
17 only.
17. 17. 17. It's okay. Ejike, you have to give him 5 out of this 17.
Hey, he need not bother about it. Since it's now a matter of compensation, I'm no longer interested. He can have it all to himself. Excuse me. Say something. I'll do the cow for you.
Agreement na agreement oh. Agreement na agreement oh.
It was nice banking with you. It was nice banking with you. It was nice banking with you.
Akajiako, come back here.
Agreement na agreement oh.
Hey, honey. How did it happen? How did it go? What was the elder judgment?
They judge according to their wisdom. But trust me when I say I've got a plan B for them.
Eh? Yes. You mean they judge to his favor?
Yes.
Never! Mba,
Honey, your hard-earned money cannot disappear just like that. That won't happen in this house. Oh, Mama, I won't let that happen. Thunder will fire all those elders. Amadio, how we kill all those elders. Iyawo never will destroy all of them. Even Thunder will fire Thunder will fire everybody in this house. It will fire all of them. People that say that we don't have peace, we don't have peace. People that say that we don't have peace, we don't have peace as well. All the people that say that we don't have peace, we don't have peace. All the people that say so, we not still have peace. All the people in this house, even your brother, all of them, with the elders, we not have peace. Come back. My husband. Welcome. Hey, the lion himself. You have never ceased to make me proud. Hey! Oh, hey, the chairman. Hey, can't me chair.
Paul Wokocha, you can never win any case against me in this village. Ta, I'm going to get there. And they won't, but they won't. Lie to lie. You can't do more than a dead rat. This is what This is one target.
Because cambian so. My chairman, the lion. You know what, my husband? I am going straight to Afro Market to get what I will use to prepare your favorite meal for you. I was even wondering when gold diggers became keke diggers. Shame on our enemies. Shame on them. Shame.
Abanje finally Dikeh now. You got to go Dikeh. Just film now. Just cough. This is what Dikeh. Just film that only again. Just again buy the paint. You can never win any case against me in this village. I lie to lie. When you get there, I never know, but we don't conquer here. What, Yana? This is what this is on Dikeh. I am Igwe 2pac Empire. Where am I going? I don't know what they want. Hey! Man, I can't go mosquito.
Agreement. Oka barapa okwisi kechekwe ya. Onye rapie ya na nwanne ya kpara nsogbu adị. Onye rapie ya na nwanne ya kpara ọgbaghara adị. Agreement.
Okay, never pay me. We at least say 200 naira and may give me money. I better make it go.
Who is your father? Who is your father? Who is your father? No!
Back.
Ojuko, what is it? Why are you like this?
Mama.
Talk to me, son. What is it? Why are you this sad?
Mama, who is my father?
Is that why you are this sad? Eh? But I've answered this question so many times.
Mama, you never answered me. You only told me that my father is dead. Mama, you never answered me. Mama, tell me, who is my father? Mama, tell me who is my father!
That is the answer to the question. That is it.
Mama, I need the truth. I need the truth, and tell me the truth, nothing but the truth, and I need it now. Mama, who is my father? Who is my father? I need to know. Tell me who my father is. Who is my father?
Right. Nobody did wrong at all. Oh, holiday. This side na kata kata, that side na wuru wuru. Oh, holiday. Onye ku ibe ya jo, onye ju ibe ya ekwe. Wahala day. Go front to wahala, go back to wahala. Ijenugu wahala.
Hey. Who is feeding Ojuko with all this information recently? Why has he suddenly started asking of his father after I told him his father died many years ago when he was still a baby? Do I go contrary to my words to tell him the truth now? No. I swore an oath never to reveal the secret to him. How do I go now? How do I go about this problem? He is so mean now. Hey, I can do something dangerous. Oh, what do I do? Hey, oh God, please save me. Oh.
Yeah, you can see how spacious the compound is. Take a good look at it.
What then happens to all these houses?
Oh, the houses? Yeah. Automatically, everything goes with it. And then, besides, I heard that you are the highest buyer of property in this land, and that was why I came for you.
You're right. Actually, this property is in my choice location. I like it.
Good. Okay, settled. All right, very well then. Why don't you come with me so I'll show you all the places.
Onyera pie ya na nwanne ya kpara nsogbu adị. Onyera pie ya na nwanne ya kpara ọgbaghara adị.
Please, Chairman, I was arrested by the task force for not buying the ticket on time. But I've just come out now from the yard. Please, I will soon buy it very soon. Around 12 before I will buy it.
No. Shut up! Shut up, boys! Shut up! No. I'm here now. How dare you disobey my order in my Dikeh empire? Are you sick? The order is no matter your family story. Make sure you buy my ticket before 10 a.m. It's an order. Oh, Lord, now. Igwe 2pac is saying, so shall it be. Buy my ticket before 10 a.m. Now it's 11. And you're telling me, you came out late. You won't use your family problems for my own. And now, I'm going for okay? I will detain you till 12 o'clock tomorrow. Choose your station. Area command called B division. Where you want to sleep, just choose yourself. Area command called B division. I'm on DPO now. You relax. I'm very stupid.
There's an emergency at home. Your brother is about to sell the family house. Yes, so Chief Kaje is about to pay for the family house. Please come with me very fast. Yes, so please.
Stop. I'm not telling you now. Stay here till I come back.
like the property. Yeah, good to know you love the property and we're always cooking.
My husband is back! He's here! The lion himself! Agunwake, Litwa!
The king is here.
Come and show yourself! Calm down, my husband.
Papa, you don't move. You're Mr. Adigore.
Papa will see again.
Chochoy!
What's the meaning of all this?
Abuisi, my boss. Serve one for serving paper. So go back on through. Oga, sign that paper fast. If I will, sign no if on
Honestly, I don't understand. What's the meaning of this?
Good. That's your death warrant. Because I will kill you soon. Now, you are being stupid and annoying at the same time. How dare you? How can you had the guts to come here and prize my house. For that reason, I must kill you. So just sign your death warrant.
Chief Guard, I'm sorry for all this going through right now. You understand what I'm saying? First and foremost, I'd like to ask you one thing. Who called you right here? I called you. I did. Pay no attention to no fools. This land is as good as yours, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, I can do whatever I like with my property because my property is my property.
Paul Mogocha, you have no property here. The land may be yours, fine and good, but the house is mine.
You? Yes.
So you have no property here.
Honestly, I am lost. I don't know what is going on.
I never lost about town now. You're lost.
Chief Kaj, come over, let's have a tete-a-tete. Come through.
Yes.
Come through.
If you don't leave this place now, Baba. Jackie.
Listen, I said pay no attention to no fool. He's an animal. It's an animal. Animal cruelty. You know what I'm saying? Come over, let's have a tete-a-tete.
Our family meeting. I'm talking, you're talking. Okay? If you don't leave this place now, for crossing my path, may forgive. Yeah! But before you get mad, Jackie.
Aka, I will need some time to look into this matter. I will get back to you soon.
Give me a look into. How dare you climb back? No, shut up, son. Shut up, son.
Yes.
Come on, son. Yes.
Listen. Hey, can you listen to me? Hey, Chief Kaj. Yo, Chief Kaj, yo. Can you listen to me? Chief Kaj. Yo, what up, Chief Kaj, yo? Can you listen?
See, make I tell you. As my Oga take advise you, take him so. You see this my head? If you small, but a 40 feet container. Nwa. Oluwale. What's why so about Odogu.
Enough of this your jar shit. You keep jarring everybody. You jar all my visitor. You jar mama. You jar my wifey. You jarring everybody. Can you jar God? No, can you jar God Almighty? See what a kid talking about. Here he goes again. See what I'm talking about.
Onyera pie ya na nwanne ya kpara nsogbu adị. Onyera pie ya na nwanne ya kpara ọgbaghara adị.
Chochoy! Yo! Papaya, because you guys spread them perfume. Pim. Give a chance. Papaya! Give a chance. Mama, now. One Akachuku. If Lakajiako, in fact, who is even Akajiako? One Akachi for me. Because this time around, I swear, Mama, I will kill him. Mama, don't ever have a bad name, give a call. I don't matter resident permit, I don't even solve nobody. Is he mad? Eh? One Akachuku, because I will kill him this time.
Wait to begin. This is an open place.
Open place, kill him, Mama. Open place. Can you imagine? Akachuku wants to sell my property. Akachuku wants to sell my house. House in my heart and money way. Mama, I just want him. Want him to stay out of my property because I use my hard-earned money to build that property. But now, say walumo, Maba Ozuzo Mfeye. Ozuzo Mfeye.
Did you just say that Akajiako wants to sell you a house?
Yes. He wants to sell my property now. He wants to sell my house. Can you imagine? Akachuku brought someone to price my own property. Akachuku brought someone to price my land, my house. Can you imagine the insult, Mama? I don't know if I'll go. More than if I saw him no good. So I come resident permit. A while ya, Mama Fiye. Akachuku I am way fear now. I don't know if you do. Just want him, oh. Want him. Mama, want him. I don't know give over the Igbo. I don't know how far. I pass on the Bodo. I don't know give how far. Mama, see, make I tell you who you're picking. Who you're picking, who you're picking, we know the see face. If not be my organ, no go chop. No, it's now, I can't tell you what I go collect. I boy cocoa. Nah, Mama. I got to go to work, yeah. I got you to work, yeah. Mama, I got you to work, yeah. Muy fair, yeah. I to work, I'm fair, yeah. I don't matter what many resident permit and maybe go to some number. How can I? Why will you bring somebody to price my own property, my hard-earned money?
Amuli, please, I beg you. You are the only friend my sister has. Please, help me persuade her to go back to her husband. How her mates are married? What is she doing in my father's compound? Okay, see Chijoke. Chijoke that has 5 sisters, 5. All of them got married before their father died. And he is relaxing and enjoying his inheritance in peace. Now look at me. My sister, my only sister, will not allow me enjoy my inheritance in peace. Why? And you know our tradition, This tradition, and you know our tradition, And you know our tradition allows a woman to get a share of her father's property if she's still single when the father died. Let her go and marry now. Okay, see, let me tell you, if you persuade her and she goes back to her husband, I'll appreciate you. I'll give you something.
Are you telling me that the reason you're pushing your sister out of the house is because of the inheritance?
What other reason is more important than that? What other reason is more important than my inheritance? My father's property? At least I'm doing her a favor by chasing her to her husband's house. See, let me tell you, marriage is the utmost desire of every woman. Hey!
Olikagu, is it just your plan? Wait, let me laugh in China because I know it will not work. You see that inheritance? We died here. We died here.
Do you know I feel like strangling you now? Do you know? See, if you know what is good for you, go back to your husband. If you know what, go back to Ugezu. See, let me warn you. If you don't go back to your husband and our father dies, I will strangle you with my bare hands. Let me tell you, my inheritance is non-negotiable.
I am not getting married until after Papa's death. You see, marriage, it's no longer in my dictionary. You see that inheritance, we must share it 50-50. 50-50. Bet it.
Man, I get 50-50.
Bet me.
Man, I get 50-50.
Onikagu, bet
me. Hey!
A single time in my own, not enter your hand. Bet it.
Everybody they right, nobody they wrong at all. This side na kata kata, that side na onye kwibe ya jo, onye dribe ya ekwe. Wahala day.
That the land belongs to you. But what happens to your brother's house on it?
How is that my business, Mama? No, how is that my business? Huh? Or don't I have right to sell my property? No, don't I have on the one right to your land? No, is that what you're trying to say?
No.
So?
You have the right to sell your land. But...
No but, Mama. Listen, I'm a broke man. Everybody knows that I'm broke. And I need money as a matter of urgency. So whosoever has a property on that land is none of my business. Sefini in French. Ekusigo nebo. Ekusigo.
Dikeh, okay, why they can't it's not good now. You have to find another way to do this. Selling your land that has your brother's house on it is not a good thing to do. At all, it's not good.
Mama, wait till I cash out. Then you will know what we're talking about. Wait till I cash out. Mama, I said wait till I cash out.
Agreement na agreement Agreement na agreement Oka parapa okwisi keje kwe ya Onye rapie ya na nwanne ya bara nsogbu adi
Go. Just a few minutes, let me tighten up my knot. I remembered you. I was the motorcyclist that took you to your village about 2 weeks ago when you lost your father.
I remember you. Yes, I remember. Thank you so much for that day, my brother. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. Yes, he's the one.
Yes. Please, you will drop us off at Igwe 2pac. Please, we need a bus to the city immediately.
Okay, a few seconds. Let me finish what I'm doing.
Please, hurry up, hurry.
So, how was the burial?
It went well.
You know that day you seemed mad with you, but it went well.
Yes.
Thank you so much. You're a good person.
Please, hurry up.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And this will help us now.
Greetings, my brother. Greetings. Sit. What will I offer you? Soft or alcohol? Never mind. I am here in respect of the land I want to buy from your brother. After due consultations from the elders of this community, I was made to understand that the land rightfully belongs to Accusations, your brother. So I am here to know your plans concerning your house that is on that land. Are you done speaking English? Because you go 2 weeks, 1 week ago.
Sure you get family members, children, people, mama, papa, when they miss you like me. No, sure you get family. Why you won't die? Why you won't die? Above listen, for your own good, to avoid early grave. Don't come anywhere close to that land. Don't you understand? Either address your like.
I can see that you have a problem with your brother, but that is not my business. Maybe he might decide to compensate you after I must have paid for the land. I am also telling you that I will pay for the land as soon as possible because I don't want any other person to pay as possible, so that's another person will pay for me.
As a matter of fact, dig your grave as soon as possible because once you pay for that land, I will kill you. Not too worry about that. Maba. Oh, your son again. I'm going to want to buy my land. Support. Yes. Don't forget your death warrant. If you don't sign it, I will sign it for you.
My daughters, they say one of the reasons why a man marries is when he's blowing hot, the wife will help to cool him down. Anger is just one letter short of danger. What your husbands are about to do is dangerous and will eventually affect everybody in this family if it happens.
Mama, what exactly are you driving at? Because I'm no longer comfortable sitting here with this local non-entity.
Hey! International gold digger. We know them by their body odor. Mama, please, talk fast. Let me go inside and continue with the account of my keke investments.
It's too mere honor there. Which keke investment are you talking about? The one my husband gave your husband money to do? Eh? Listen, let me tell you. When the wind blows, we shall know who owns the keke business. We shall know that.
Are you mad? I called you people here for us to talk out peace, and you're here shouting in front of me. Are you out of your minds? Mama? You're adding fuel to fire when I am trying to make everything to come down.
Mama, there shall be no peace for the wicked in this house.
And there shall be no food for the lazy man and his miserable wife. Please, Mama, allow my husband to deal with that gold digger.
Thunder fire you there.
Hey!
Thunder fire your entire generation. May my village woman will help and visit you.
This side now,
no problem.
Wahala day. Go front to wahala, go back wahala. Ijenugu wahala, Ibiana neda wahala. Nwoke fola man obo na-eche kosu. Nwanyị fola man obo na-eche kosu.
Mama! Mama, Obiadorosi Mama. Mama, Kunite, get up, Mama. Mama, we need to talk. Get up, Obiadorosi Mama. Mama, what happened last time repeated itself again. Mama, you have to tell me the truth. Who is my father? Onyebunam, who is my father? And I want you to tell me the truth and nothing but the truth. Who is my father? Makodonyamulum, who is my father? I want to know. Gwamezogu, start talking now. Tell me the truth. If you refuse to tell me, I will take you to the elders before the villagers and you have to say the truth before them. Gwamezogu, who is my father? Mama, who is my father? Tell me the truth, Mama. Mama, tell me the truth.
Oh no, I greet you. Oh no, Obodo. Oh no, obodo.
No ngongongano. Na jidano onkwike, jidan kwike. Jidano no ikenga ke u jidan kwike. Good.
Oh no. I want you to use your position and power to interfere in this matter before it gets out of hand. Please.
Dikeh, you have done well. I will do like you have employed.
No, bye, I wanna. Thanks a lot.
There's no problem. You will hear from me before noon tomorrow.
I believe you.
Dikeh.
I believe you.
Dikeh.
Before you're done,
Oh no! Oh no!
And guess what? I gave this fool here in return 3 million naira.
I got you one full again.
Dikeh, will you go back to your seat?
Dikeh, will
you go back to your seat?
what can you do? All the time you think it's about this and jaggy and shit. You jar everybody. Look at the elders. You keep jarring everybody. Nigga, you can't jar me. If you jar them, you can jar me. That's the real deal, yo. If you jar them, you can jar me, my nigga.
It's okay.
If you jar them, you can jar me.
It's okay.
Akajiako, sit down. This is crazy. Every time, jar. As I was saying.